Okay students, in previous video you understood about what is a desert and what is the features, what are the features of the desert, quality of the desert, and also here vegetation, what is an oasis also you understood I think. Oasis means wherever the small streams of water which passes under this sand dunes, sand called as an oasis. So there the wherever the facility of the water find in oasis or in desert areas, so the farmers, the people cultivate the only some patch of land and only few types of plants they will grow, and some kind of vegetation is available in the desert. So what kind of vegetation and plants we will see here? That is the bushes, that is euphorbia, Khazri is the Rajasthani language. Thorny shrubs. Thorny shrubs means the shrubs, bushes like with some thorny plants also find here. And some kind of animals, camels, that is a black box, chinkara, deer, and also some few birds also we'll see here in the Thar desert. And here we know that important animal in Thar desert is a camel. Camel is a ship of the desert, means which can just move easily on a sand dunes, because other animals are even we also can't able to walk in sand very fast by carrying heavy load, but these camels will walk and run faster due to the different kind of stuffed foot, and they can just move fastly with the stuffed foot of this hard foot of the camel, and even they can store the nearly that is 200 liters of water. It's a hoop. We have the hoop of the camel, no, back side of the camel we'll see. So in this it can store the water, and because the scarcity of water is more, means that is the non-availability of water is more in the desert area. So once it will drink the nearly 200 liters of water, and it can store in its hoop and this carry the loads. That's why the camel is known as the ship of the desert. And yes, so how is the life of the people in this Thar desert? Life of the people in this Thar desert. So life is very tough, because it is a scanty rainfall, less rainfall, high temperature, and no fertile soil, and only few vegetation. And people see first need for everyone is water. Water is a main requirement and thing for the survival of human life. Here, so it is a scanty water, means a water problem. Women used to carry that to get the water. They will walk long distances by carrying the vessels to bath it, get the water. So they are facing the water problem due to scanty rainfall. But even this Rajasthani government, now they are making efforts, concentrating how to just retrieve the water facility for the people of these women of Rajasthan. And government are just effort for the water supply, not only for drinking purpose and also requirement for the irrigation, for the supply of water for the fields, for the cultivation and production of the crops. For that also Rajasthan government is planning. And how do they planning? Because they are completely desert area, but one internal canal is there here. So here you know that if you see the India map, one river tributary passes, that is Satluj river. So here they are making plans to supply the water through the canal system from the Satluj river. And one internal canal is there, Indira Gandhi canal. What is the name of the canal? Indira Gandhi canal. With this canal means what? That is not a river, that is a long distancing stream of the water. So with the help of this Indira Gandhi canal, they are supplying the water for drinking and for irrigation purpose in Rajasthan right now. And it is the longest canal in India also, longest canal in India. And what kind of crops they are cultivating with the help of this canal water and also other irrigation facilities? And in oasis, maize, you all know maize, barley, jowar, bajra. Maize, barley, jowar and bajra. So these kind of crops and they are cultivating Rajasthani people. And what kind of people, what do we call the name of the people? These Banjaras and nomads. So what do you mean by Banjaras here? The nomads people, they will move from one place to another place. So due to the availability of water, for example here there is some area of Rajasthan in Thar desert, so surrounding of these Thar desert there is no availability of water, and if the availability of water in any other place in Thar desert, these all they will move or shift and completely along with the families, they will shift and settle there for some days due to availability of the water supply. So those kind of people we call as nomads. Nomads means people who move from one place to another place for their life survival, for the depending of irrigation or maybe water supply and different ways. So they are moving, shifting people from one place to another place, known as the nomads or the Banjaras. So next we will see in the next